Hi, this is Miss Ike Sereda of I Am Worldwide. Ikaw ba yung tipo ng tao na naghahanap ng negosyong pwedeng simulan ngayong taon? Isang OFW na gusto na mag-start ng business para makauwi na sa Pilipinas? Yung professional or employee na gusto mag-invest sa isang negosyo instead of gadgets? Estudyante or housewife na naghahanap ng extra income? Well, I think ito na yung kasagutan sa mga panalangin mo. Welcome to our franchise business presentation. Here is our President, Mr. Allen Marvin Eder, and our Vice President, Ms. Aika Lorraine Uy. Their combined experience in this kind of business is more than 20 years na. So, ang mission talaga nila is help Filipinos and other people abroad to start their own business kahit maliit lang yung kapital, pero malaki yung pwedeng bumalik. Here is our legalities, wherein you can check it online, registered po tayo sa SEC and also sa BIR. Our head office is located along Ortigas Avenue in Green Hills, San Juan. So, dito po natin pinaprocess yung payment, even yung franchise seminar and crew training. I invite you to come over our office so that you could see the actual food cart and food tasting as well. Now, let's go on with our franchising. We are a proud member of Philippine Franchise Association, and as of the moment, meron tayong 3 concepts na pwedeng pagpilian. I'll discuss them one by one later. Ang kagandahan kasi sa atin is we are tied up with KJA Global Franchising, wherein 10 years na po tayo in the food business. And we have our own commissary plant located at Caloocan, so we can really be assured na maganda talaga and quality yung mga products natin. And at the same time, if you want to expand naman provincially, we do have our stockists nationwide. So as of the moment, 22 stockists po tayo and growing, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. After you franchise, you will be connected to your nearest stockist, and eventually, you can get products from them na. Now, let's start with our first concept, which is Mang Siomai. Ang kagandahan kasi sa atin, hindi siya 4 kundi 5. 5 pieces of siomai in one set. So, you can also have it the same price as our competitors pero 5 pieces. Alam mo naman ang mga Pinoy, mahilig sa marami at mura. So, patok na patok talaga ito. We do have a lot of varieties of siomai to choose from. Plus, meron ka pang additional na siopaw. Ang kagandahan dito, parang 2 concepts ka na pero isa lang yung food cart na binayaran mo. You can also offer yung mga black gulaman. And ang good news kasi, we are not tied up with drinks. So, you can have other dealers para may extra income ka pa. Ang goal kasi ng company natin is para mas kumita ka. Next is Dumpling King. Actually, this is my personal favorite. Kasi meron siyang gyoza, dumplings, wonton, and even Shanghai. And you can partner it with rice. Lagyan mo ng drinks, value meal na siya. So, pwede mo siya i-offer umaga, tanghali, and gabi, even merienda. So, when putting up this kind of business, which is traditional, always remember na meron tayong tinatawag na operating expenses, such as renta, labor, electricity, water, and miscellaneous. So, meron tayong estimate dyan na 17,500. Our goal is to earn at least more or less 2,000 in one day. Times 26 days of operation, ang monthly cash sales natin is 56,000 plus. So, meron tayong tinatawag na cost of goods. Ito po yung ating puhunan. Ang tubo kasi natin or markup natin per product is at least 40%. So, malaki-laki na yung pwede nating tubuin doon. Ima-minus natin siya plus the operating expenses to get the net profit of 7,400. That is for the low sales. Ibig sabihin, hindi ganun kataas yung kita mo. Not bad. 7,400 din yan. Additional income. Pero what if, magaling yung crew mo, maganda yung location na napili mo, pwede pa yan tumaas up until 18,000 to 30,000 in 1 month. So, sa ganitong business kasi, depende sa location mo yung pwede mong kitain. Magandang location, pwedeng mas magandang kita. Then also, we have this Dim Sum Republic Hong Kong style noodles. Actually, I'm proud to say, tayo ang nag-pioneer niyan sa Pilipinas. So, yung noodles natin may different toppings na pwede mong ilagay. Ngayon, as you can see, meron din tayong tanong na, what if nag-invest ako dyan, kailan ba yung balik ng kapital ko? Or yung tinatawag natin na return of investment. Meron tayo dyan, let's just say, yung pinili mo, yung mas maliit mo na cart. No, ang net profit natin, let's just say 7,400 in 1 month. Ang return of investment natin is mga 9 months. Since maliit yung capital natin, mabilis yung balik ng pera natin. What if maganda-ganda yung sales mo in 1 month? Pwede pa yung 3 to 4 months, bawi ka na dun sa capital mo. And for our annual rate of return of investment, for the low sales, 133%. And it can grow up to 500% if mataas yung sales natin. So, meaning to say, compared sa ilagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, which is maliit ang interest, dito, pwede mo siyang mabawi ng paulit-ulit. Pwede mag-grow talaga yung pera mo, basta madiskarte ka lang magnegosyo. Normally, kung gusto mo magtayo ng sarili mong food cart business, aabot ka ng 250,000 to even 500,000. But with IM Worldwide, meron tayong mga packages na sak sa budget mo. Meron tayong titanium, which is 67,200, and then platinum, which is 112,000. All of these packages are VAT inclusive. So, para makita nyo yung sample ng food cart natin, for the titanium package, we have the collapsible cart. So, this is semi-collapsible. As you can see, talagang presentable siya. Meron tayong lighted signage and wooden cabinet. At the same time, meron din tayong standard cart. Kung makikita nyo yung difference niya, more of the size and yung pinaka-design. So, dito makikita natin, mas malaki siya. This is our standard cart. Now, pag nag-invest ba ako sa inyo, ano yung mga kasama sa package? First is the food cart with lighted signage. And then you will get 1,000 worth of free products. So, meron ka ng initial inventory. One basic equipment, depende sa concept na mapipili mo. Meron tayong round steamer or teppanyaki pan. You can also have your basic utensils, crew uniform, crew training, and more importantly, the franchise seminar. Normally kasi, yung mga nagsistart sa amin, hindi pa marunong mag-business or first time magnegosyo. Don't worry kasi tuturuan po namin kayo step by step during the franchise seminar on how to operate from opening to closing to inventory. So lahat po yan covered na nung package mo. Ano-ano yung mga hindi kasama sa package? Our package is almost complete except for these 3. First is the crew. Yung crew po sa inyong magagaling but the company will train them so not necessarily skilled siya. Next is permit. You'll be the one to get it but the company will guide you on how to get it step by step. Location po sa inyong magagaling pero we do have our 500 meter zoning. Ibig sabihin, pag nakahanap ka ng location, just pass the sketch of the location para ma-reserve po yung slot mo. Within 500 meters, wala na pong pwedeng tumabi sa'yo. So, yun po yung security natin as franchisee na hindi po tayo magagaya. Ngayon po, the release of the food cart is 30 to 60 days after you pay. Mode of payment po natin is cash, check, or credit card. So, after po natin mag-process ng payment, habang nag-aantay po tayo, we have ample of time to look for location, attend the franchise seminar, get the permit, and then eventually we'll be ready to operate. Ito yung ideal locations natin. We have our schools, universities, loob or sa tapat, transport terminals, jeep, tricycle or bus, supermarket, groceries, even wet market, city plaza, churches, government offices with high foot traffic, and even sa malls. Ako po personally, I do not suggest na ilagay mo muna sa mall kung hindi ganun kalalim ang bulsa mo. Why? Kasi kailangan dyan ng mas maraming pera for the rent, mas malaki po yung ating operating expenses. So, kung nagsistart ka pa lang, pwede mong paglagyan yung mga small spaces muna, yung hindi ganun kamahal yung rent. Meron po akong franchisee, nilagay po niya sa tapat ng bahay niya. So, yung dating hindi kumikita, ngayon kumikita na 1 to 2,000 in one day. Not bad po. At least wala na po siyang binabayaran na renta. Ang goal po kasi natin is matutunan muna natin i-handle yung business bago natin i-raise sa mga mamahal na areas. So, yun po yung kagandahan sa atin. Ano ba yung advantages pag pinili natin si IM? Number 1, we don't have sales quota. Kung magkano po yung kailangan ng target market mo, pwedeng yun lang yung orderin mo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka namin babaksakan ng produkto every month. Depende po yun sa inyo. Then next, we don't have pre-termination fee. Ibig sabihin, let's just say, nag-abroad kayo ng family mo, nagbakasyon kayo for 1 month, and you decided to stop muna the operation of the food cart. Don't worry kasi wala po tayong babayaran. Next, we don't have royalty fee. This is the 3 to 5% na bawas sa income ng franchisee. With us, kapag kumita ka po, sa'yo na yun. Wala na kukunin ng company. And then, there is no renewal fee. Our contract is good for 2 years. This is my favorite. Bakit? After 2 years, if you wish to continue, you just need to sign the contract again, and then 2 years na ulit yun. Ang good news, wala kang babayaran. Ibig sabihin, one-time investment, lifetime franchise. Next, there's no annual fee. Wala po tayong babayaran yearly. And no hidden charges. Kung magkano po yung diniscuss ko sa inyo, yun lang din po ang babayaran nyo. And competitive yung ating pricing. Kaya pwede ka talaga mag-compete with other companies kasi talaga mababa po yung kuha natin and you can sell it as SRP, meron po tayong malaking tubo.